Hello everyone, my brothers and sisters and my dear students. I am Anmol Rajput from class 9 and today I am giving some the lecture on the time changement. Student, you know that our country, India country is the farming country, prime country. So our India country is a farming prime countries. In our countries, the most of the places are farming places. In these places the farmers are doing the farmings and after that they are cutting or the sowing the seeds and to the doing the bells problems to the solve the problems of the hungerness. So our country's farmer is very important and they're doing the major role on to life is possible. But because not of the foods, the human beings is not survive here. So the farmings are doing the farmings. Students, I am giving some the birds because to understand you these birds you have or you will go to the ancient times. In these times, so about 40 to 30 years before, I am telling you and I am saying you about the 40 to 50 years ago the farmers are doing the farmings very normal ways because the farmers in these times the farmers have the tractors but they have not trolley. The farmers have to the summers, they have not to the farming process. So because the more time is changement but the with the time to time the farmers are not changes. So in the ancient time the farmers have the block carts, the farmers have the oxes to the plugging the fields, the farmers have the block cart to taking or the to cutting the crops and after that to reach at home. So these are some farmers means. So in these times the farmers are taking the seeds and the sowing the fields and after that the farmers there are seeds are growing up and in these areas the farmers in their plantations the use of manure. Student, you know that in the ancient time not any type of chemical fertilizer or not any type of manure they are presented. So in these times the farmers pets the animals like buffaloes, cows, goats, horses, oxes. These are some pets animals and these are some domestic animals. In these, so students, in these all the animals they have dungs. So in these dungs are used them into the plantations. So these plantations because you know that in the bio subjects the dungs or the cow dungs, buffalo dungs, anyways or any dungs, it is very important to doing the well properties or the growing up to the seeds or the plants is growing very fastly, so they are spreading all the plantations the cow dungs. So the farmers these are plantation are grow fastly and after that they are ripen and they cut it down. So these crops are cutted and after that these are farmers crops they are taking at home and with the block carts. So the block carts you now understand that there are two oxes with the trolley sized and in these there are two tires. So by this process they are taking the farmings process or their crops is taking reached at home and after that there is the good or the high amounts they are sell them. So the farmers life is very good into the ancient time because they have nuts huts to live, but in this time the peoples have very type of homes or the buildings in this time, but the peoples is not happy. But in this ancient times the farmers have the huts to their lives but farmers are very happy. So the life of ancient time is very nice, but in these times life is not a huts but not or the buildings. So they're the between shaped. So the farmers of the ancient time very happy, but in this time farmers are not happy. The life of ancient time is very nice. So thank you and have a nice day. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Thanks you, lots of thank you.